Morning, everyone. Shortly after 7, it's -5 degrees. Not real convinced I want to get out of my sleeping bag, but had the wind up top, big wind gusts, and I got a tree over here all night snapping and cracking. But didn't sleep too bad. I get up, go grab my food bag. I'm just gonna cook right here. Sure what I'm gonna get out of there. You're gonna have a coffee and hot chocolate, and instead of the oatmeal, I didn't eat my wrap. Lauren told me I should take some Nutella and some peanut butter and a banana and put it in a wrap, so I did that. Never ate it yesterday, so I think we'll give it a try. Nutella, peanut butter, a banana, and a wrap. Might be the new camping breakfast. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, just laying there for about half an hour, relaxing. I think we'll head up to where I had a fire and we'll go check that out. Not sure if I'll start a fire. Really no big hurry this morning. So yeah, had breakfast, had a coffee, cleaned everything up, wiped everything up. So yeah. So I bought this coat last year. Paid like I think 120 bucks for it. Bought it used. Have a love-hate relationship with it. I hate the color. The zipper's absolutely atrocious, but it's so frickin' warm that I don't have anything else that comes close to it, so. Oh no, I didn't do up my boots. Ah. Alright, I think I'm gonna wander over, start packing stuff up. Like I said, no big hurry, just I'm gonna go do that, come back, stoke up the fire. Yep. It's a good idea. Getting low on card, low on battery, so let's just run through my sleep system real quick. I got an MEC, I think it's a Talon still, -18. Slept a little bit cold. No idea what that was about. It was -5, -6. I thought I would have been way too hot, but it is what it is. The Thermarest Neo Air X Therm, still running it from years ago. Still got the great big patch on it. It's been working perfect. The Climate Luxe pillow. This pillow I'm going to talk about in a different video. Before I bought this one, I was so pissed off about pillows. I actually went to my bed, grabbed my own pillow, chopped it up. The girls bought me this pillow, the Woods pillow from Canadian Tire for Christmas one year. Didn't like it, so I cut up my pillow, put my pillow in there, so a nice foam pillow. So I was running a 2-system pillow. That went underneath, like you guys have seen before, and somewhere around here, inside, under my butt, I ran my little Thermarest self-inflating. Didn't use my spare buff, didn't use my spare socks, didn't use my spare base layer. Got these just before Christmas. The Expedition MEC booties. They're freaking awesome. I bought them because I wanted them, wasn't sure I would like them. Thought about taking them back, and with the big tent, figure I'll probably spend a little more time once in a while in the tent, so I've bought these. My backpack was 33 pounds. I don't even know where that weight came from. I had these, I had my big blue down puffy, had my extra pillow, had an axe, had the saw, had the shovel. Probably had at least 8 pounds of food. So yeah, I'm gonna get everything taken down, put away, and see me in a minute. Alright, so that's it. We had our second big storm of the year last night. I was tucked down in nice out of the wind. Up top, you could hear the wind really bad. I think the sound was from the tree. These trees are moving and it's rubbing against these ones here. It's kind of locked in, and yeah, it's a little bit unnerving, but so I think since it's my first good winter trip, and it is 2024, I think we'll call this the opening of the camping backpacking season. So if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, and you will see me on the next one. Me and my 33-pound backpack are gonna go for a walk.